One day, Duke was minding his own business in his yard when all of a sudden he was attacked and was bit. Worried about his dog and other dogs around the neighborhood, Duke's owner wanted to figure out which dog attacked his. He had 4 suspects in mind: Oreo and her daughter Muffin, Scruffy, and Patches. The owner gathered DNA from all of the suspects, from the dog bite, and also from his own dog. He sent the samples out to a lab where 2 VNTR loci were amplified and run by gel electrophoresis on 2 separate gels. These are the results of the DNA fingerprint analysis. First, let's look at Lucas 1. First, we have to make sure that Duke's DNA is not the crime scene DNA, which it isn't because the bands don't match up. Next, we need to look at the suspects. We can tell that Scruffy cannot be a suspect because his bands don't all overlap with the crime scene DNA. Same with Oreo. So that leaves Muffin and Patches as being suspects. Next, let's look at Lucas 2. Again, we need to make sure that the crime scene DNA is not Duke's, which it isn't because the bands don't overlap. Next, let's look at Muffin. Muffin's band also don't overlap, so Muffin is not a suspect. Next, let's look at Scruffy. Scruffy's bands do overlap, so he cannot be ruled out as a suspect. Oreo's bands also don't overlap, so she can be ruled out as a suspect. Patch's bands do overlap, so she is also a suspect. Now, if we look at both loci together, we can see that Patches is the only suspect whose bands match for both loci. Therefore, Patches is the one that bit Duke. DNA fingerprinting can also be used to verify that Oreo is Muffin's mother. If we look at Muffin's bottom band, it is the same as Oreo's bottom band. The top band she got from her father. If we look at the second loci, we can see that Muffin's top band is the same as her mother's bottom band. So Muffin's bottom band she got it from her father. So Oreo is in fact Muffin's mother.